Welcome to the Siemens Step 2000 course on the basics of electricity. In this first segment, we are going to look at the invisible world that powers everything around us. To understand electricity, we have to start small, very small. This is an atom. In the center, we have the nucleus, housing positive protons and neutral neutrons. Orbiting around this nucleus are negatively charged electrons. The outermost ring is called the valence shell. The electrons here determine the electrical properties of the material. If these electrons are loosely bound, they can easily be knocked out of orbit. We call these free electrons. When millions of these free electrons move in the same direction, we have electrical current. It's that simple. Electricity is the flow of electrons.